Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Toyota RAV4 2.4 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the hood release cable. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A drop light, flat tip screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver I use to activate the hood latch. So I'm going to be removing the cable from the latch. See, right over here is broken. That's why we're replacing the cable. So we got to follow the cable. Just unhook it. Then it goes under this plastic piece. So we just got to kind of pry it out. Okay, so now we're going to go under the dash. So I'm going to be removing this plastic piece. And this kick panel right here. There's a little screw. You unscrew it, they can pop it out. So I'm going to be removing the cable from this lever. We're going to be pulling this cable out. Then we just got to pull this cable through. So now we're going to go to the front of the vehicle and pull the cable out. So I'm going to be pulling the cable out. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a hood release cable. I bought this from the dealer. Part number 53630-42060. So we're going to be putting this cable through the firewall. It's really hard to see, but what I might have to do is stick my hand from the back, grab the cable, and try to feed it in through the firewall. So I got the wire through the firewall. Now I'm going to have to put it back the same way it came out. So now we're going to be hooking the cable onto the latch. Okay. So now we're going to be going to the front. Okay, we're going to be putting the cable in. Putting these clips on. So we're going to be putting the cable under this plastic. That's how it was. So now we're going to be connecting the cable to the latch. And then we're going to be connecting the cable housing to the latch. Okay, so before we close the hood, I want to make sure this latch works. So I'm going to be locking the latch. Okay, try pull it. Okay, now it works. So I'm going to be putting back my kick panel. And this plastic piece. So that's how you replace a hood latch cable. If this is the first time watching my video, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.